Have you ever seen clothes decorated with beautiful pearls and wondered how tailors attach them so neatly? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using this pearl setting machine that I recently got from Temu. I'll show you what comes in the package, how to set it up, and how to use it properly so your pearls stay firmly attached to your fabric. So let's start by taking a look at what came in the package. First, we have the pearl setting machine itself, which is the main tool used to press the pearl onto the fabric. It also came with some pearl beads, which is really nice because it means you can start using the machine immediately without buying extra materials. And finally, we have the certain heads, which are the parts that help hold the pearl in place while the machine presses it onto the fabric. Before we start attaching the pearls, the first thing we need to do is prepare the machine. Make sure you choose the correct setting head that matches the size of the pearl bead you want to use. Once you have the right head, place it properly in the machine so it can hold the pearl securely during the pressing process. Next, I'll load the pearl beads into the machine. Carefully place the pearl into the holder, making sure it sits correctly so that the machine can press it evenly. If the pearl is not positioned properly, it may not attach well to the fabric. Taking your time during this step will help you get the best results. Now I'm going to place this pin on this other side of the pearl setting machine. You can do this with your hand or you can use any tool that can help you grab the pin. Now let's prepare our fabric. Place the fabric under the machine where you want the pearl to be attached. Once everything is ready, gently press the handle of the machine downward. This pressure attaches the pearl to the fabric through the back pin of the bead. You don't need to apply too much force, just press firmly and evenly. It's always a good idea to mark your designs first so that the pearls are placed evenly and look professional. I also recommend testing the machine on a small piece of scrap fabric before working on your actual garment. I'm going to do this a few more times so that you guys will see how it works, okay? From this machine, I can say that it's quite simple to operate even for beginners. As long as you can use the correct pearl size and press evenly, you can achieve very neat results. You can use this pearl setting machine for many creative projects such as decorating dresses, designing fashion accessories, customizing bags, or adding stylish details to your sewing projects. Guys, take a look at the finished result. The pearls are neatly attached and they add a really nice decorative touch to the fabric. When placed in patterns or lines, they can completely transform the look of a garment. If you enjoyed this tutorial and would like to see more sewing tools, tutorials and DIY fashion ideas, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.